Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested.
Hey, it's Mark Messier here in Quebec, training with Adam Steer and his Club Bells and his all his body weight exercises. If you think you're in shape, you gotta come and try this because I just got it handed to me. Unbelievable exercises, great training, gotta try it.
Best body I've ever had in my life. I'm also in the best shape I've ever been in my life. And when we took the after photos the first day on holiday, I just couldn't believe it. It was fantastic. Kept looking in the mirror while I was away just to check that it was me, to check that it was my body, because the results were just unbelievable. I don't think I've ever got that low on body fat, and being able to see this part of the six pack and the nice V curve that everybody likes at the minute. My strength and fitness was just unbelievable, playing with the kids while we were on holiday. I just seemed to have so much energy. It was fantastic. I'm really pleased. Anybody who's thinking about buying this program, I would suggest that you do, no matter what you've tried in the past.
You know, my butt has always been one of those things that has been a problem for me, let's say. And yeah, it made a huge difference, really did. And it's funny because I've been shopping for jeans recently, and when I went into the change room, so I'm like, oh yeah, I'll just get size 12 because that's what I wear. And the girl comes in and she looks at me and she goes, you're not size 12, you're like size 10 or smaller. And I went, no, that's rubbish. And she said, no, truly, try on size 9 jeans. So I got them, tried them on, and they fit. And she goes, okay, go and have a look at butt cam. Like they have this thing called butt cam. You go and stand on a specific spot and this camera points at your butt and you can see it. And it looks really good. So I just think that's really funny. Yeah, so I actually have a nice butt now.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested.